In life, things will break your heart to fix your vision. Y'all, it's funny how we keep being like this, ain't it? But it is what it is. We are here. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. Just got the shower. I haven't been vlogging. I decided to start a vlog. Why not, right? So I ain't got too much going on. You know, it's been a lot going on at work. I've been having more things to do at work, so it's just been I'm not gonna say a lot. I'm grateful that I'm being used as I am, and I'm getting compensated for it. So yeah, but yeah, it's been a lot. The kids starting school. You know, this is already senior year. Just trying to figure everything out. Next year is gonna be a really big year for me. It's gonna be something big that's gonna be happening for me, and it's so many feelings about it. I'm scared, I'm excited, I'm anxious, I'm just all of the emotions I am about my changes that are happening next year. So yeah, so yeah. Oh, I got my girl paid. I got her I got her body oil, and I got the body lotion. I didn't get the body wash because I plan on using this stuff, and I can't really use like perfume body washes. I'm trying it with the EOS, but that hasn't been irritating my skin that bad. This is actually my first time opening this baby. This box is shut. I don't want to break the box. There we go. I haven't opened it yet because I can't get that plastic thing off. Because I did open the oil, and that plastic thing is really hard to get out. And the oil. What I can say is I was expecting, oh, I got baby oil all over my damn hands. What I was expecting was something I've never smelled before, because it's Peyton. Peyton always calling out all these notes that you don't know what she talking about, but you tell by how she talking about it, it smells good, right? But I was expecting something I never smelled before. It's the oil. But that's not what I got. Like, don't get me wrong, it smells good, but it smells like something I have smelled before. I'm thinking it has that saffron in there because it's kind of giving like that baccarat smell. But it smells good. I just was expecting something I never smelled, so yay for Pepe. I should have, now that I think about it, I should have got the body wash and given it to somebody, but they sold out, so I think they sold out. I need to check. But yeah, I got my package. I just love I love the presentation of it. Like look at that. I love this. It has her name on it. She is very much an inspiration. She's using her platform and she's doing what she's supposed to do with it. Just had like, I can laugh about it now. So my daughter, I was telling her she just got a job. She starts her job tomorrow, right? She needs some black dicky pants, right? So she went to the store to buy some dicky pants. Came home, the pants too tight. So she left to go exchange the pants, and they were giving her a hard time because she left and didn't have her ID, and she was like, all she wanted to do was switch the pants out. So she calls me and tells me what's going on. I'm like, well, I used to work at Walmart, so I know how they operate. I'm telling her, she's like, I'm about to just switch the pants and just walk out. I'm like, if you switch the pants and walk out, somebody gonna stop you and take you to that back room, to that side room. I told her this, and lo and behold, somebody took her to the side room. So she put me on FaceTime. She telling them what happened. I'm sending them, she don't have the receipt because she just walked out. I keep telling her, stop doing that. She just walked out without the receipt. I'm sending them screenshots of how she paid for the pants and blase, whatever. And it was a whole thing. They're bringing the police in there, all to give her a gift card for her to go exchange the pants for the right size. It was about 45 minutes of bullshit. They tell her they gotta press charges on her. They got the police asking all type of questions, and somebody, do she got any warrants? And she's like, all I wanted to do was switch my pants. I already bought the pants. So she walked out with the pants. Y'all, I sent my daughter to the store to get me a box of these. If you know, you know. Let me show y'all what she came back in with. She came back with these. These are adult diapers. And these are her before. And I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get back. So. To my mama. Be for real and truthful. What's going on in the room?
Telling riddles to the front, speeding with me like Toretto. She like the way that I move. She let it go for it.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. I'm on my way to the Dollar Tree budgeting, I'm budgeting, bitch. Dollar Tree about to be my go-to. You hear me? The only reason I wouldn't be going to Dollar Tree is if they got something they don't got something I need. Y'all can't even see me, but I am back. Dollar Tree was a disappointment, but I did get a few things, so I'm not even gonna hold you. It's my car. I found some they got scent beads in there, so I got some scent beads. I got some dryer sheets, and then I found these True Lemon drink mixes. So y'all, I just went in Walgreens to do what I said. Why them same Tide sensitive whatever detergents was 4 for $9 goddamn dollars. Baby, what? 4 for $9. So I just hit, Dollar Tree had them $5 each. So I just got 4 of them for $9 goddamn dollars, baby. Ooh. Yeah, we are about to go to the Asian market. I'm just getting ready right now. Lathering myself up with some lotion. This lotion smells really good, by the way. It is Nivea Oil Infused Lotion, Coconut, and Manoi oil. That smells really good. And it feels good. Alright, Kitty is on. As you can see, it looks a little different. Ari went to go see if the kids are ready, and we about to hit the road. So I'll pick y'all up later. So they had them all over the place, so. What you got?
Chocolate.
The chocolate, the Cookie Monster.
Oh, it got retinol in here too.
The Cookie Monster. I just wanted to pop in because I don't know, I'm having like a really I don't want to say it's a rough time, but I'm having a moment. I was beginning to say I was like in a slump or you know, just in a, I guess a slump is what I was trying to call it. But I'm really in, I feel like I'm recharging, if that makes sense, because it's like I'm in a mode now. I'm just gathering and like seeping everything in, everything that I'm trying to do and accomplish. And it kind of feels like a slump because I'm not doing the things that I think I should be doing right now, but it's like I'm preparing myself to do the things that I want to be doing right now, which is a lot. Like what's at the top of my list, which has been at the top of my list for quite some time now, is my weight loss. I have talked about it on here, and I've been like really like working on that. I've really been working on that. I've been doing the work as far as that, but it's so much more that I would like to be doing. And I feel like once I get my routine down when it comes to that, which I feel like I kind of got my routine down, but it's still like the beginning stages of it. It's not, it hasn't been formed to be a habit, if that makes sense. You know, it takes time for your body to like, wait a minute, we ain't worked out. Oh, we ain't ate this. Oh, we ain't drank no water. We ain't did this, we ain't did that. I'm coming to it. And it's like it kind of consumes me at some point, especially when I get to a point where it's like, what you gonna do? Like, we not gonna be this size forever. Like, what are we about to do? What are we about to do? What are we about to do? I've been up and down my weight for so long. This time, in my mind, this time is different. And it's different because I'm more self-aware. It's different because I'm not swarmed by chaos and drama. And that's where the difference lies, because I am an emotional eater. And soon as the BS starts rolling on in, soon as that come on in, baby, we eating. Then we don't smoke no more, because smoking was an outlet as well. I don't smoke anymore. So this is the last addiction. Big addiction, let me say that. Bad addiction that I'm fighting. And food is not the enemy. It's not. It's the choices of food. And it is what it is. I'm back, y'all. Before I was interrupted by my child, who she's getting a taste of the American workplace, so she's very, I want to say spoiled, but she's one of those kids that feel like everything is just supposed to be smooth sailing. And I'm trying to let her know, like, just relax. Everything is gonna work out. Just try to not let things bother you. Like, she gets so emotional Like she let so many things affect her emotions, and I used to be that way. I can still be that way sometimes, but I have perfected hiding it. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I'm learning to control my emotions, I guess. Yeah. So I'm just trying to get her to start doing that now, because I don't want her to wait till she's 40 to realize what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So anything that I awaken from, I'm sure I'm going to teach my kids before it's too late. Which is never too late, but I want them to learn things earlier, sooner than later. I had to learn things the hard way. I had to go through a lot of trials, tribulations, heartache, betrayal, all of that. I mean, not saying that those are things that they may not experience. I'm sure they are. We're human. But there are some things that you have the power to control. You control yourself. You know what I'm saying? So if you see that you're in this situation or you're dealing with this, you know, you can pick up on the signs sooner than later. Take action sooner than later. Good afternoon. I just got off work. It's been a day. And that was my phone. I don't even look at it. It's been a normal day. So AutoNation came out today to check my car, and they didn't really do anything. He basically he was really nice. He was really nice, and he came out and basically broke down what he was sent to do or whatever, and he was like, he don't want to have to charge me if I'm gonna have to take it to a shop, because they're gonna have to charge me too. So he drove it, and he confirmed what I knew, that it had something to do with the transmission. And he was like, call. He didn't charge me, and he told me to call my warranty company and find a mechanic. What is this? Find a mechanic close by that works with my warranty company. So they did actually send me a list of mechanics the other day. I was just trying to take the easy route by requesting for somebody to come out to me because I'm working. So I called one of the shops that was on the list, and I confirmed. I basically just asked if they work with my warranty company, and she told me yeah. And she was just like, bring my car in the morning. She didn't ask me my name, nothing. She didn't ask me about the car, nothing. She was like, bring my car in the morning, and they'll call me to get my information, and we'll go from there. So yeah, I already knew it was gonna get fixed. It's just a matter of time, really. And yeah, so it's gonna get handled. I just hope it doesn't take, more than a couple days. I mean, if it does, it does. I hope it doesn't, But yeah, I just got off work. There may be a list of things I need to do today. And then it was this movie I watched, and at the end she just said something, and it really like hit me, and I wrote it down. So I'm gonna read it, y'all. So it says, in my life, things will break. It says, in life, things will break your heart to fix your vision. That part right there, it just resonated with me because that's what it took. It took for me to be heartbroken to wake the fuck up. Before I was rudely interrupted for like 15 minutes, let me read this and then we gonna come back later. So it goes as follows, and it really resonated with me, and that's why I rewinded it and I wrote it down. It says, in life, things will break your heart to fix your vision. And
I left my book here. Bye-bye.
in life, things will break your heart to fix your vision. And winning can actually come from losing. I have learned to accept the consequences of my choices, both good and bad. That makes me a product of my past, not a prisoner of it. My past is what has shaped me into the woman I am today. Every wound leaves a scar, and every scar every wound leaves a scar, and every scar tells our story. I show my scars so others will know my story and also learn from it. I forgive those who have hurt me, even if they're not sorry. Not because they deserve my forgiveness, but because I deserve my peace. For those that have hurt me, I forgive you in order to set myself free, praying that your soul has found everlasting peace. So it was just an eye-opener. It was just, sometimes I kind of feel like, I don't know, kind of down sometimes because of my past and because of the pain I have endured. For the most part, I've had a great life. There are things that I want to do in this lifetime. There are places I want to see, things like that. I may not have been able to see those things yet, but I will, because I'm not gonna stop. And every day I wake up. Every day I wake up with a vision of becoming the best version of myself. And even if it's just getting up and sitting here and working, even if it's right now my to-do list, even if it's hearing something and getting inspired by it and writing it down so you don't forget it. And I like to write things like this down. I do this a lot. If I hear something and I'm like, oh, that did something to me, I have to write it down. If I can't rewind it, I try to remember it and, write it down as I, as it came to me. So, yeah. gonna be making some burrito tacos tonight. And yeah. And in the morning, we're gonna drop our car off. And it's gonna be a great, beautiful day. Everything's working out. Everything is working out. And yeah, y'all about to cut out, so I'll pick y'all up when I start cleaning up, I guess. I don't know. It is a little bit later. Sound like one of my kids is crying. It is a little bit later. Organizing my little area as usual. I poured out all of my things from this little cup right here. So it's just a bunch of razors and combs, stuff like that, just sitting in front of me. So I'm just putting those back into the cup. These kids just do not give a damn. They don't listen. I gave them something to do, and they've been screaming ever since. And I'm at the point now where I just wait for somebody to come in here crying so I can go off. That's pretty much the pattern. I'm almost done. Oh, and I'm trying to get into wearing BB cream. And I bought this one. It got SPF 42. What's the name of it? It's called Machine Perfect Cover BB Cream, number 31, golden beige. But this is it here. This is where the full name is. Let's try it. I haven't tried it yet. I made a ChatGPT logged in, so I put a picture in. I put a picture of me in ChatGPT and asked it to pick my color. So let's see, shall we? I'm gonna put it here first. Look kind of light. I guess not. Oh no, let's try it on the face. No. Look kind of light. Maybe chat done. Did the girl dirty, didn't I? ChatGPT failed me. ChatGPT failed your girl. Unless I put on like some bronzer and try to like not look like a whole ghost out here. I'm sending this back. Let's do our lips just for the fun of it. We look like a ghost out here. It must be the SPF in it or something, because, and I can't even do nothing else because Ariana got all my other stuff. And the thing is, this is what I chose to get because I don't want to have to do my makeup every day. So I'm like, if I have like a BB cream, I could use that instead. But this is not it. My lips look good now. Maybe the lips always look good though. But I'm just extremely upset about this. But it don't. Let me change the light. Like in the light, it just looks. Let me do the yellow light. See, with the warm light, it doesn't look as bad. Like if I were to do I don't even have a brush. This lady got all my shit. Oh y'all, I think I showed y'all my shades, but I really haven't been wearing my shades. Like, I'm a shades girl. I love shades, and the amount of shades I got now is nothing to compare. It's nothing compared to what I had before. I gotta get my collection up. I gotta get my shades up, my bags up, my shoes up. think these are my favorite right here. It's these little plum deals. I love these. I can't tell you where I got them from because I don't know. They are this baby. But look at these. Look at these with my lips. I think that's why I like glasses, because it brings out my lips to me. It might be different for others, but that's why I think that's what made me like shades. And then I got these little tortoise. I like the round ones. And then my Loewe dupes. I got these Loewe dupes, but I don't think I like them. They're not me. What y'all think? Are they me? Are they me? I don't know. They may be me one day. It depends on where I'm going. I guess because I don't really go nowhere. And that's why I don't really remember to wear my shades. And then I love these. They're so big. They're like aviators, but they're not. They're like chunky aviators. I love these. With the lip. And then these are the last pair of shades I've purchased. And I got these right here off of Shein. I think my sister sent me a picture of these. And I was like, where the hell did you get that? Where are those from? And she sent me the link. And these were off Shein. I think I paid like $2 for them, if I'm not mistaken. But these are like, look at these. Like, hey. But yeah, look at these. Okay. See, I'm getting back into my shades. I just love it. I just love it. So I'm gonna have to put me some shades tomorrow when I go drop my car off. And then I think I'm feeling this BB cream with the bronzer or whatever that is, and the lip combo. The lip is this is my favorite lip gloss. You can't even see it. That's Ruby Kisses, and I don't even remember what the name of it is called. But I've been buying this since my oldest was a baby. It keeps my lip moisturized. It has a little tint to it, and it's, I just love it. Whatever they got in here, I just love it. But yeah, it's called caramel frappuccino. Yeah. Yeah, so I started buying it off of Amazon. I bought it off of Amazon for a few years until I seen it in the hair store again. And it has left shit. It has not left me yet. It got, I think it said it got mango butter. Mango butter and acai berry. But This shit right here is the truth. I'm obsessed. Like, I have at least like 3 of these around. I bought this one thinking that it was like the same thing. But look at it. Look, y'all can't even see. Look how thin that is, that it just, this one, you would never see the inside of it because it's so thick. But look at that. It done went down there. It's so loose and watery, and I do not like this stuff. I keep this, I mean, I bought it, so I keep it and use it like if I'm in desperate need of some lip gloss, and I just put it on. But yeah, this is the truth. I keep one of these in my purse. Matter of fact, it looks like this might be my last one. So, is it my last one? Yep. So I'm actually gonna need to go to the hair store and get me, I always get 3 at a time. I'm gonna need to get 3 more. Why am I still wearing these shades? But yeah, those are my favorite shades currently. I love the big shades. Yeah, I love the big shades. That's why when I start my line, like, I'm gonna have all types, but I really want the oversized shades. Like, I want those shades that motherfuckers ain't gonna know who you is type shit. But anywho, yeah, I put my hair in the bun because it has been down since I got them done. I've never put them up in a ponytail or anything. I need to oil my scalp, but I'm probably not gonna do that until this weekend. But I'm here trying to set up my mouse. Baby, when you got nails, tweezers are your best friend. These are my favorite tweezers. I got these from Falscara. I got these from my Falscara set with the cluster lashes. I love these. Like, they help me with my my camera. Like, pushing stuff in there. But yeah, I got me another mouse that actually works. I'm supposed to be getting a new get a new laptop. My nails are still holding on, and I'm like obsessed with these things, y'all. We going on 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. They are strong. And the way that they're shaped, for me, it makes it easier to work. Usually when I get my nails done, I have to you know, figure out my rhythm with the nails. That usually takes the first day. So that's that on that. My headphones, they need to charge probably. My kids out there playing like it ain't bedtime. It's but yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see the definition coming through. And excuse me, what else I wanted to say? I'm realizing too, since I started doing the kettlebell swing, I'm sitting up straighter. I usually like hunch down, especially when I'm working, but I realized today, like, if I hunch down, it's like my back automatically like pop back. Yeah, everything is squared away over here. I need to wash this off and then do my skincare. I need to go handle them churns out there, them picnic them. Like what? I don't understand. Like I had to ask him today, like, what about my instructions you not understanding? I just don't understand why they don't listen. Like I know kids, they gonna be kids. But it's like every time I say something, wait, let me go get some straightening out there. Get these kids in the bed, and I may or may not pick y'all back up when I do my skincare. I don't know. I still gotta wash my sheets. I already still washing clothes, so that's probably not gonna happen tonight. So whatever. I showed y'all my cups. Like I'm obsessed with these. I'm so obsessed. I don't even think I showed y'all. I got some straws with bows on them. I don't even think I showed y'all them yet. I might have. I don't know. But good night. Hopefully I'll see y'all in a little bit when we do our skincare. And I also plan on putting these in, these white strips, when I am done. So I'll talk to y'all later.